How to fix Zelle app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can fix if Zelle application does not work properly in your device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first thing, you have to check for your Wi-Fi connection or your mobile data. Ensure that you have a strong internet connection. And if that's not your case, the second thing, you have to make sure that if your application is updated to its latest version. Now, to check for the available updates, open up the Play Store in your device and in the search bar, search for Zelle app. After you have opened it up, tap on the application, and if you find update option where I have opened, that means the application needs to be updated. Once you update the application, now you can go back and open up the application and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, the second thing or the next thing that you have to do is to clear the application cache from the device. In order to do that, navigate to the application in your device. Tap and hold on it, tap on app info. From here, tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Once you have cleared the cache, it's gonna remove the temporary file and glitches from the application, which will help you solve your problem. After that, reopen the application and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, now restart your device. Restarting the device will help you solve temporary device glitches. Then open up the application. If that still doesn't help you, the last thing you have to do is delete the application from this device and reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. In order to delete the application, we have to uninstall it. So for that, navigate to the application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info, then tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. Now, once you have uninstalled it, you have to reinstall from the Google Play Store. Open up the Play Store and in the search bar, search for Zelle and then reinstall it back. After that, open up the application, re-log in, and your application will work properly now. So that's the way to fix if your application does not work properly. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.